I'm sure you've heard the news. Snails are the coolest creatures you didn't know you needed to learn about. Did you know snails can sleep for up to 3 years? Yep, they can hit the snooze button for a long time. And get this, snails have thousands of tiny teeth. They use these to munch on leaves, stems, and even algae. Oh, and talk about slow and steady wins the race. Snails can travel at a dazzling 1 millimeter per second. Speedy, right? But here's the coolest part. Some snails can regenerate their shells if they get damaged. It's like having a built-in repair kit. So next time you spot a snail, remember, you're looking at one of nature's tiny, incredible wonders. Stay curious and keep exploring.